In this video, we are going to introduce the SmartNews template. We're going to explain in detail what it is and how the users of SmartNews can use it. SmartNews is a virtual scenario carefully designed for making a news program fresher and more attractive. It is specially arranged for newscasts that report news bulletins, editorial content, live or recorded interviews, or opinion poll results. The news programs that use these smart templates will be able to display up to 4 videos at the same time if they decide to use all the screens provided in this virtual scenario. The same screens can also be used to show images related to the news being reported. The white screen hanging on the back wall can be used to show the main video of the current news. The 2 screens placed on the side walls are perfect for showing other media related to the reported event. And the screens placed on the front side of the table can be used to display an animated film of the program logotype. Some key parameters of the SmartNews layouts are configurable, thus empowering the designer of the news program to set up multiple stages by just changing the colors, the lights, the logos, the texts, the position, the size, or visibility. The templates provided in SmartSet are configured using the form panel that opens on the bottom right side of the screen. This panel has 6 tabs that are used to configure the set itself, the screens, the actors, the camera, the chroma key, and the calibration of the camera. In this video, we are going to describe the contents of the set tab, that are the elements of the different templates, and how to modify their properties. But not only can the elements of the set be customized, it gives you flexibility to have more than one version of the scenario. For instance, if we have 2 news programs, one in the afternoon and one in the evening, and we want that only the afternoon program has a title, we can configure that as we are going to describe next. Now we are going to describe the SmartNews scenario. The objects that have been added to the SmartNews template and which are configurable in the Set tab are a title, logos, a table, screen lights, colors, colors of the walls, floors, frames, etc., and the position of the walls. SmartNews scenario has a title that can be shown or hidden based on our needs, as I'm showing right now. There is a text box to write the title that we want to give to our program. For example, let me change it to Smart News. The color settings can also be changed. Let's make it green. And the font selector, we can change Arial, for example. Then we can change also the logos. We have 3 logos on the front, on the table, and on the floor. We can hide or show all of them. This one is underneath the table, you cannot see it right now. And there are some settings for 3 of them. The scale, we can make them bigger or smaller. We can move it to the left or to the right, or we can move it down or up. Then we have a menu for the table to hide it or show it. We have a nice feature, that's the screens mate. This is a checkbox to disable the mate or activate that. Disabling the mate, we activate a lights effect on the screen. As you can see, those lights have appeared here, and the color has changed a little bit. It's just an effect. In some cases, it will be crucial to show the original image video with true colors as they were captured. This is what this feature aims at. Now you see the true colors. The Lights module provides settings for changing the colors of the different light sets in the scenario. For example, we can change the color of the general lights. We can make them pink, or you can change the lights of the screens. You can make them greener, those lights here, and so on. The rest of the lights will change as well. Then we have menu for colors. We can change the colors of other elements in the scenario. The colors that can be modified are the LED wall. Let's make it green as well to show the effect, and also the front wall, that's the wall on the back. The up wall, that is the upper side of the wall on the back. The right wall would be that one. The frame of the screen is this frame here. The panels, those panels here that are behind the back wall. A circular base. Oh, that's very nice. To change this one, let's make this also pink. The carpet and the visible part of the floor could change the color as well. And the last feature is the walls, the position of the walls. It's just to change the relative position of the available walls relative to the center of the scenario. Let me show it. We can move it closer to the actor, the right one as well. Move it very close, and the left one is the closest, can come to the actor. Now I'll show you how you, the user SmartSet, can use these templates to create your news program. I won't go into details. It will be just a quick demo to show how easy it is to use SmartSet. I've previously created the interesting camera shots in the program presets, and we are using this camera shot, and we change to the other shot I prepared. We come closer to the actor, and then she wants to present a picture on that screen in the back. We select, we can bring here some pictures, and we can add to the playlist too, which is the one shown on the screen, this lovely lion. And then the actor says, let's see a video that I want to show you on the screen on the right. This is the playlist, this is showing the playlist 3. So intro video, we want to put full screen, selecting the full screen. We see how the rocket leaves, and then we go back to the virtual sets and decide to see the end of the video from the screens on the front of the table. Now I'm going to explain the pages. SmartSet also provides the functionality of real-time character generators and playout applications. We will use the character generator functionality, let me stop it, to create the overlays that, as you can see on the interface, are called pages. SmartSet also enables the broadcasters who require more than a simple rundown system the easy management and playout of the saved pages or graphic templates in any desired order and combination, as I'm going to show now. Okay, this is a nicer view. For example, we want to show the current values of the stock, live city from which we are broadcasting, and a clock. Then we decide in any order to take them out and present a lower third, or we want to replace this one with a lower third of 2 lines. And we also want to add a ticker below it and the weather information. We can remove it in any order and decide to replace the image with the credits that we have prepared with all the partners of this project, brainstorm some universities. And then we go back, we remove that and go back to the main scenario. This video has shown the scenario of the SmartNews templates and how the characteristics and look of the feature elements can be changed to make this template part of the customer's TV programs collection. We hope that you liked the video and can use it to learn how to configure your programs. You can see more videos of the other templates in the SmartNews channel. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet to continue learning how SmartNews products work. Thanks.